Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to share with you how to change wallpaper in your Lenovo K14. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be recently bought this Lenovo K14 and you are wondering how to change wallpaper. In order to do that, it's really very easy and simple. You need to click in your phone settings section. After click over settings section, you need to click here display. After click over display, you need to click here advanced and then you're going to see screen appear just wallpaper. After click over wallpaper, this is the wallpaper by Lenovo and this is the wallpaper by, like you have some picture in your gallery and you can choose. For example, if I choose a wallpaper, actually there is only one wallpaper. If you want choose that, you can choose, but I'm not going to say that. If you want to choose gallery go, it will take you in your gallery and you can easily choose any of them. For example, I want to set this picture and this is going to be a preview how this is going to be looks like. If I click here check and it will give you option, do you like to set this picture on a home screen, lock screen or home and lock screen. In this video purpose, I would like to set this picture in my home screen. Now if I go back completely, now you can see I had successfully changed my phone wallpaper. So within this way you can easily change wallpaper in your Lenovo K14. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.